Good morning, everyone. This is Bhumika from Vani Lingua, and today I have brought you a new personality development course free of cost and to your doorstep. So, in this course, we have brought to you a few modules through which you can learn actual personality development. Now, according to you, personality development means grooming yourself, changing yourself, adapting social norms, societal norms, or maybe corporate norms. Yes, it is, but it also have a few certain things which you need to figure out first. For that, we have brought you a few modules through which you can learn. Our first module will be communication skills. Now, if I ask you, what is communication skill according to you? You'll say, ma'am, it means talking, or maybe it means expressing. But you're somewhere correct, but you're not absolutely correct. Because communication skills mean when you deliver your message, the other person receives and start processing the information. Because if the person is not processing the information, there is no point of delivering the message. Right? Secondly, our second module is active listening. अगर आपसे मैं ये कहूँ कि एक्टिव लिसनिंग और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल हैंड इन हैंड वॉक करते हैं, तो क्या आप मेरी बात को मान लेंगे? शायद हाँ और शायद ना, पर इसके लिए मैं आपको एक रीजन देती हूँ, और रीजन ये है कि टू बी अ ग्रेट कम्युनिकेटर यू हैव टू बिकम एन एक्टिव लिसनर. Until you don't hear somebody, until you don't understand the point of their speaking, you won't be able to reward them, right? So, our third step and the third module is professionalism and grooming. See, अब तक आप जो भी समझ रहे थे वो आप इनफॉर्मल एंड फॉर्मल दोनों के लिए समझ रहे थे सेक्टर्स, बट अब आप जब प्रोफेशनलिज्म एंड ग्रूमिंग की बात करते हैं तो आप इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर से सिर्फ और सिर्फ फॉर्मल सेक्टर की तरफ आ जाते हैं. अब फॉर्मल सेक्टर में और इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर में क्या डिफरेंस है? बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है. वहां एक नॉर्म्स हमारे लिए सेटल हो जाते हैं, वहां हमारे लिए फॉलो करना नॉर्म्स को बहुत ज्यादा मैंडेटरी हो जाता है, एंड उन नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करने के साथ साथ हमें खुद को ग्रूम करके वहां पर प्रेजेंट करना होता है, जिसे हम प्रोफेशनलिज्म एंड ग्रूमिंग के मॉड्यूल के अंदर समझेंगे. Our fourth goal and our fourth module will be self-awareness and goal setting. Now, why self-awareness in a formal sector or maybe informal sector? If I tell you that you are not aware about yourself, you will question me that how can I say that? But I understand it through your personality, that if you are completely self-aware or not. And when I talk about goal setting, until and unless you do not have an aim, you will not be able to follow a journey or walk on a path. For that, we will teach you a certain aspects of self-awareness and goal setting. Furthermore, we're going to have our fifth module, which is mental wellness. Now, physical wellness is as important as being mentally well. Because if you're not mentally well, you will not be able to put yourself out there 100%. Right? Wrong. You have to question it to yourself. Last but not the least, social skills. Because when you step out of your comfort zone, you are stepping in somebody else's zone. And when you step in that, you will have to understand the foundations, the boundaries, the norms, the etiquettes, and most importantly, you need to understand that where to start and where to stop. And we will teach you that within this module. So these were the modules we will be covering up in this course. And I want you to stay with us throughout this journey to groom yourself or your personality. And for that, you need to stay tuned with each and every video of ours about personality development, which we will be uploading every single week. Yes, you heard it right. You are going to learn each module every single week, right? So, for the link, you might find it in the description right here. Thank you. Vanilingua signing off.